Welcome to Chatify English, your friendly place to learn real English for real life.
Have you ever felt nervous speaking English at the airport? Passport control, check-in, security. So many things to say.
But what if today you learn everything you need?
By the end of this video, you will speak English confidently at any airport in the world.
Stay with us, join our family, and subscribe for more English conversation practice.
Yes, click subscribe and let's fly together.
Hi, I'm Emilia. I love traveling and snacks.
And I'm Brad. I love planes, but I hate long lines.
We are your travel English team from Chatify English. Brad, are you ready for our big trip?
Almost. I just can't find my passport.
Oh no, Brad without a passport equals Brad watching the airplane fly away.
Don't worry, I found it. It was in the fridge.
In the fridge? Why?
Maybe my passport wanted a vacation too. A vacation from heat.
Friends watching, have you ever lost your passport? Tell us in the comments.
Let's warm up. Repeat after us. I am traveling today. I am going to the airport. I have a flight at 6 p.m.
Great! You sound amazing already. Now, let's go to the airport.
Emilia and Brad arrive at a busy airport. Rolling luggage, airport announcements, coffee smell, travellers everywhere.
When we go to the airport, the first step is check-in. Let's learn how to talk at the check-in desk.
Hello, where are you flying today?
We are flying to London.
May I have your passport, please?
This is a very common airport question. It means, give me your passport.
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, one bag. Check a bag equals give your bag to the airline to put in the airplane.
Please place it on the scale.
Oh no, Emilia. I think my bag is too heavy.
What do you have inside?
Maybe too many snacks?
Your bag is overweight by 3 kilos. Overweight equals too heavy.
My snacks are guilty. What can I do?
You can remove something or pay a small fee.
Snacks. I will miss you.
Pause. Let's learn a useful question. How much is the fee? Repeat, friends. How much is the fee?
This is a money-saving phrase.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 5:20 p.m.
Gate B12, 5:20 p.m. We're ready. Boarding starts at 5:20 p.m.
Boarding means you walk into the airplane. In many airports, staff speak fast. If you do not understand, ask, "Could you repeat that, please?" Repeat after us.
And smile. Smiles are international language.
Next step, security check.
Laptops and liquids out, please. What about my snack juice?
Brad, juice is liquid.
Any metal in your pockets? Maybe some coins and my toy airplane. Please put everything in the tray.
Useful airport response. Okay, no problem. Repeat with us.
Oh no, I am dangerous. Please step aside, sir. Step aside equals move to the side.
Brad, maybe don't put cookies in your pockets next time.
But cookies make me happy. You are all good. Have a nice flight. Thank you. You too.
Brad, she is not flying. Friends watching, repeat these airport phrases. Where is gate B12? How long is the wait? Is this the right line? Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're doing great. Like a travel pro.
Hello, what can I get for you?
1 iced coffee, please.
And 1 water, please. What can I get for you? What do you want to drink?
Name for the order?
Brad. Bread? Why always bread?
Maybe you look delicious?
Okay, Bread will drink water now.
Say your name slowly at the airport or coffee shops. My name is Brad. B-R-A-D.
Or choose an easy coffee name, like Superhero.
Please do not choose superhero.
Attention passengers travelling to London. Gate change. Now boarding at gate A5.
What? Gate change?
Don't panic. This happens a lot at airports. Gate change equals new place to board. Friends, repeat after me. Excuse me, where is gate A5? Ask staff politely. Always works.
1. Check-in. Get your boarding pass. 2. Boarding pass. Paper or digital ticket. 3. Gate. Where you enter the plane. 4. Overweight. Too heavy. 5. Boarding. Entering the plane. Boarding starts soon. 6. Security check. Bag and body scan. Where is security check? 7. Step aside. Move to the side. Please step aside. 8. Gate change. Gate is different now. Gate change. Where is the new gate? Practice them again later.
Repeat after me. I am flying to London. May I have your passport, please? Where is gate A5?
Choose the correct answer. At check-in, you get your A. Pizza. B. Boarding pass. C. Airplane pilot. Viewer. Time to answer. 3, 2, 1.
Of course. B. Boarding pass.
Gate A5 is very far. Why did they change our gate from B12 to A5?
Airports are big. Sometimes the airline changes the gate. It's normal, don't worry.
I always worry.
Useful question when you are lost. Excuse me, which way to gate A5?
Gate A5 is that way. Turn right and go straight.
Going straight forever. Why is the gate always the opposite side of the airport?
Travel exercise. Free fitness.
We made it. But why are there so many people in line?
Because boarding has started. Boarding, people are getting on the plane.
Boarding Group 1. Please come forward.
What is Group 1?
Airlines divide passengers into groups. Group 1 goes first, Group 2 next, and so on.
Which group are we in? Group 200?
Group 4. Please get ready.
That's us.
Finally. Goodbye, airport. Hello, plane. And snacks.
Welcome on board. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Here you go.
Here is bread.
Bread? Your seat is 24A, window seat.
Window seat. I love seeing the clouds.
Why are airplane seat letters A, B, C on one side and D, E, F on the other?
A equals window, B equals middle, C equals aisle next to the walkway, A dash window, B dash middle, C dash aisle.
I want aisle. I like to walk to the toilet every 5 minutes.
Then maybe seat A is not for you. You will jump over me like a kangaroo every time.
Excuse me. Someone is sitting in my seat.
No, this is 24A.
Oh, I'm in the wrong row. This is row 22. Sorry.
Sorry, I think this is my seat. Use politely when seat confusion happens.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Friends watching, repeat. Fasten your seatbelt. Close your seatbelt.
Wow. Airplane English is real English. We are learning in a real situation. Emilia, we're going fast. Too fast. Is this normal?
Yes, takeoff is my favorite part. The plane goes up into the sky.
Goodbye, Earth. I will miss you.
You will see Earth again in a few hours.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Water for me, please.
With ice or no ice? Repeat after us. With ice? No ice, please.
No ice. I am already freezing.
That's because you didn't bring a jacket.
Jacket is heavy. I needed space for snacks.
In English, on flights, we often hear polite phrases. Would you like a drink? Chicken or pasta? Excuse me, may I pass?
Friends, repeat like me. Can I have a blanket? Can I have headphones? Where is the toilet?
Yes, you're doing great.
What was that? Are we falling?
No, that is turbulence. Turbulence equals when the plane shakes. It's normal. Air moves the airplane a little. Just relax, breathe, and maybe don't look down.
I will close my eyes forever now.
Look, Brad, the city is below us. We are landing.
Earth, I missed you. I will kiss the floor.
Please don't kiss the airport floor.
Hello. What is the purpose of your visit? Purpose of your visit equals, why are you here?
We are here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
1 week.
Where will you stay?
At the Blue Hotel.
Enjoy your stay. Welcome to London.
Thank you.
Repeat slowly. I am here for vacation. I will stay for 1 week. I am staying at a hotel. These 3 sentences help in every country.
Wow, so many black suitcases. Which one is mine?
Tip for travelers. Put a special tag or ribbon on your bag. Makes it easy to see.
Oh, I see it. My bag is smiling at me.
Brad, just wait for it to come back. Where is my bag? I don't see it.
No, we cannot lose Emilia's bag. Her snacks are inside too.
Not the snacks.
Miss, is this your bag?
Yes, thank you.
The snack gods have saved us.
Great job, everyone. We checked in. We boarded the plane. We passed immigration. We got our bags. You learned real airport English today. I'm proud of you.
Now, let's eat. I need snacks after this adventure.
Friends, stay with us. We still have a story moment plus practice plus final takeaways in part 3.
Airport and airplane vocabulary 1. Boarding. Getting onto the airplane. Example. Boarding starts now. 2. Aisle seat. Seat near the walkway. Example. I want an aisle seat. 3. Window seat. Seat near the window. Example. I have a window seat. 4. Fasten seatbelt. Close your belt. Example. Please fasten your seatbelt. 5. Take off. When the plane goes up. Example. Takeoff is exciting. 6. Turbulence. Plane shaking. Example. There is some turbulence. 7. Immigration. Passport check after landing. Example. Follow signs to immigration. 8. Purpose of visit. Why you are here. Example. My purpose of visit is vacation. 9. Baggage claim. Place to get luggage. Example. Let's go to baggage claim. Gate change. New boarding gate. Example. Gate change. New gate. A 5.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, which way to gate A5? Can I have water with no ice? How long will I stay? 1 week.
What do you say if you are confused on the plane? A. Where is the toilet? B. Where is the cake? C. Where is my kangaroo?
Answer. A. But I hope you find your cake one day, Brad. Look at this picture. Describe your airport day in 3 short sentences. Example. I go to the airport, I check in, I board the plane. Pause and practice. Wow, we did so many things today.
Yes, we checked in, we went through security, we boarded the plane, and we arrived safely.
This was a great trip.
And a great English lesson.
Let's review what we learned today.
Check-in counter. Boarding pass and passport. Security check. Duty-free shopping. Boarding the plane. Talking to flight attendants. Arrival and immigration. Baggage claim. Customs. You learned so many useful words today.
Choose the correct answer. 1. What do you show at check-in? A. A pizza. B. Your passport and booking. C. A football. 2. Where do you put your bag at security? A. On your head. B. On the belt. C. In the toilet. 3. What do you collect after the flight? A. Your baggage. B. A painting. C. A cat. Answers 1. B. 2. B. 3. A. How many did you get correct? Comment below. Remember, English is a journey, not a race.
And you're doing amazing. Keep practicing.
When you travel, you can do it.
Just like we did. Yes.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
join our family here on Chatify English,
Learn English step by step.
with fun stories and real conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye!